In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a DocuSign envelope as a draft. To get started, sign into DocuSign and, once you're on the main dashboard, click Start. This is where you begin creating a new item to send out for signature. After that, choose Envelope. In DocuSign, an envelope is the container that holds your document, recipients, and all the fields they need to complete. So this is the correct option when you're preparing something to send later. Next, select Get Signatures. This tells DocuSign that you're creating a document workflow that will be sent for signing. Once you've done that, upload the document you want to send. You can choose the file from your computer and wait a moment for it to load. Make sure you're uploading the correct version of the document before moving on, especially if you've made recent edits. After your file is added, enter the recipient's name and email address. This is the person who will receive the document when you are ready to send it. Take a second here to confirm the information is accurate, because even a small typo in the email address can cause delivery issues later. Once the recipient has been added, click Next. This opens the document preparation screen, where you can place the fields that need to be filled out. On this screen, add the required fields to the document. Depending on your needs, that may include signature fields, date fields, name fields, or other required items. Be sure to place each field in the correct location so the document is ready to go when you come back to it. When you're finished making your changes, look to the top left corner and click the X icon to exit the envelope setup screen. At this point, DocuSign will give you the option to save your progress. Click Save and Close. This is the key step that saves the envelope as a draft instead of sending it immediately. To find your saved draft later, go to the Agreement section and open Drafts. There you'll see the envelope you just saved. This is useful if you need to pause your work, wait for approval, double-check the document, or come back and send it at a later time. Saving as a draft is a simple way to stay organized and avoid sending a document before it's fully ready. It gives you a chance to review everything carefully before the envelope goes out. Thanks for watching.